Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smarter R. So today we will learn how to calculate ETCCDI indices by using R. This is for monthly 1 day maximum rainfall or Rx1day. So let's go straight to it. First, you just need only one R packages, which is the player. This is for data manipulation. So you can load this library, dplyr, or if you haven't installed these packages, you can just install it and then load these packages. And then we go to our working directory. We set our working directory where we put our dataset is. So I put my dataset here in E folder, E folder wise here. So this is our folder. So set working directory is your folder destination, where you put your dataset. So my dataset is, I put as variable data. I read the CSV file chips JRB grid 005. Header is equal to 2. So this is my dataset chip JRB grid 005. So my dataset is in the form of CSV file. You must save it as CSV file. So it have year, month, day, and each grid point from grid point number 1 until 109 grid point from 1981 to 2021. So the dataset must be daily data, daily rainfall. So because this is for ETCCDI indices, you must have at least daily data. So arrange your data like this: year, month, day, and then all the grid point. If you have station data, put your station data. Doesn't matter how many data you have, just put it there. So we read this as a variable data. We read our data set as data, the variable data. Okay, we read it. Now we also can view our data set by using R, by using view function for data. You can see our data here is here. You can see it will view. You can just access your data directly from R, year, month, day, and then all the grid point of daily rainfall. And then step 4, we create a date column. We create a date column here by combining year, month, and day column. So we create a day column. You see, we create a day column. So as you can see, our data will have, let's see, we will have our date column, another new date column here, 1981 to 2021. We put another column which is in the date format, in this kind of format. So we use this, we use mutate function, actually mutate function into that column. Now step 5, we create a list to store result for each column. So we create a list here, create a list. So actually we can view it. This is actually just empty list. Oh, it's not there. List column is where we will store is empty. Empty list to store our result. After we calculate the function, and then we will put our result into this list. So after that, step 6, where we make a loop to column 1 until 109 and calculate monthly maximum 1-day rainfall for each of the column. So we have column 1 until 109. So for what, if you have how many data set you have, you must put it here. If you have from 1 until 50 station data, then you put 50. But my data set, I have V1 until 109. So I put 109. So this is to calculate the monthly rainfall data by using group by. We use group by. We group by and summarize function. We use summarize function to calculate max 1 day, which is maximum data. Any maximum data for each column, for each grid point. The most important one here also, here you must paste V. So we have number here, right? From 1 until 109. So I put V. So V because we want to use this result. V. All is start from V. All start from V. So V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. So I put here paste as V. So it will calculate all V from 1 until 09, 109. Depend on your dataset. If your dataset you put it as maybe that one, or and then you must put here also that. So but it must be have consecutive, something like this, V1, V2, V3, or that one, that two, that three, that four, something like that. And then you calculate here by using group by and summarize function. So we prepare this function. This function is like an equation we will put into the list. Okay, this result we will put into the result list, empty list. Now step 7, we combine the result into one data frame. Now we combine the result into one data frame. So you have year result list, year, month result list, month. So combine the result into one data frame. Now we combine the result. Now let's see what does it show us. Combine result as data frame. So we combine the month first, here, year and month. Combine year and month, year and month for the year and month column. And now after that, we add the column for V1 until V109. So we have V1 until 109 just now, right? It starts with V. And then we combine the result that we calculate from this function just now. All the function, we result it, put it into this. So now we have, you can view the result, view combined result. It will calculate the maximum rainfall, maximum 1 day rainfall. Okay, so you see year, month, and then maximum daily rainfall, the most maximum for each month. So monthly. This is based on the definition given by ETCCDI indices. We can also calculate annually or seasonally. It's up to you what kind of research you want, but this is the standard one. You will calculate the monthly. So you see the highest maximum 1 day rainfall is in 1981 in December 42. This also in 1982 December also 53, very high. Now we want to paste our result into CSV file by using write CSV. So I want to write this as monthly Rx1day. Row name is false. Run this. Now we have monthly Rx1day. This annual, monthly. We have this our result monthly. So we have 1 day maximum rainfall for each month. So the unit is millimeter. So unit for this result is millimeter. So make sure you get the unit correct especially when you mapping or explain your result. So we can see in V2 here, the maximum rainfall for March is in 1981 is 26.61 millimeter. The highest usually in December. You see 52 millimeter for this grid point, 52.23 millimeter. Or you can just see the seasonal result, see monthly result like this. Or some rainfall is very high, you see, until in 1 month 140. Definitely this is maybe because of La Nina event causing flood in this area. See this one also. So this is the result that we get. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial will be very helpful for you, and see you again. If you have any question, just let me know. Next, I will show you how to calculate Rx 5 days. Rx 5 days is quite difficult. Not quite difficult because the code is also quite easy, but it takes times. It takes quite of times for Rx 5 days. So I will show you for the next tutorial. So if you have any question, just comment. Please like this video, subscribe, and see you again. Thank you for watching.